We have been seeing your energy since the morning. So, what's your secret of your energy?
My secret?
Yeah.
I just said I don't have any secrets, but I think it's basically I try to be happy all the time. So I try to take away the stress out of my life as much as possible, and I keep it simple. I think, yeah, that's the secret.
Sir, I'm here. How many phones have you changed so far?
Like I said, and every time Apple launches a new phone, I'm forced to buy one.
So there are countless. So one more question is like, congratulations to you for your film Maharshi winning Sakshi Excellence Award. So are awards important to you even after winning so many?
Yeah, it does. It's really important. And like I've said before, whenever a film becomes a big hit, it's really nice to get an award also, because then it becomes complete, the journey. So, like I said, whenever a film becomes a blockbuster and if you end up getting awards also, that's the ultimate feeling. So it's happened to a lot of films of mine before, and I'm really happy with that.
Sir.
Hello, sir. Phones.
Yeah.
Congratulations. న్యూ అంబాసిడర్గా బిక్సీ ఈరోజే మీతో సైన్ చేయించుకుంది. అర్థం కాకుండా ఉంది మీ సైన్ 3 అక్షరాలతో ముగించారు. చాలా బాగుంది కూడా. అండ్ ఫోన్స్, సోషల్ మీడియా ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్ ఈ రెండింటి గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు సార్? ఇప్పుడున్న జనరేషన్ కావచ్చు, ఇప్పుడున్న ప్రపంచం అంతా కూడా ఫోన్తో ముడిపడి ఉంది. అండ్ ట్విట్టర్, ఇన్స్టా, ఫేస్బుక్ ఇలా చాలా యాప్స్ వచ్చేసాయి. దీనిపై మీ కామెంట్ ఏంటి? ఎంతవరకు యూస్ఫుల్ అనుకుంటున్నారు దీని మీద?
I think you should just చాలా లైట్గా తీసుకోవాలి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కువ సీరియస్గా తీసుకోకూడదని నా ఫీలింగ్. అంతే అండి. అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బికమ్ వెరీ టాక్సిక్, ద ఎంటైర్ సోషల్ మీడియా. సో యూ షుడ్ జస్ట్ టేక్ ఇట్ లైట్లీ. దట్స్ మై ఫీలింగ్. దట్స్ హౌ ఐ టేక్ ఇట్.
మీరు ఇందాక చెప్పారు షూట్లో ఉన్న బిజీగా ఉన్న ఫోన్ పక్కన పెట్టేస్తాను. వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ బ్యాక్, ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసే యాప్ ఏంటి? దేన్ని చూస్తారు ఫోన్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత?
ఏం చేస్తానంటే వాట్సాప్ చూస్తాను. ఇంట్లో ఏమైనా మెసేజ్ చేశారా ఏంటి, అంతే.
All right, we'll take last question now if in case anybody has, and then we'll wrap it up.
Yes, sir. I'm Harita from V6 News. Yes, sir. మీరు వెబ్ సిరీస్ అంటే పాండమిక్లో చాలా వెబ్ సిరీస్ గురించి సోషల్ మీడియా ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో షేర్ చేశారు. ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు మూవీస్ కాకుండా ఇట్లాంటి వెబ్ సిరీస్లో కూడా చేసే అవకాశాలు ఉంటాయా? చేస్తే ఒకవేళ ఎలాంటి రోల్ చేస్తారు?
అది అసలు ఆలోచించలేదండి. వెబ్ సిరీస్ చూడటమే అనుకున్నాను, కానీ చేసే టైం వస్తుందని ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలే మైండ్లో. బట్ హూ నోస్ అండి. బట్ దే ఆర్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్ ఐడియాస్ బీయింగ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్డ్ నౌ. బట్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ గివెన్ ఎనీ థాట్ టు ఇట్.
Well, thank you so much, everybody. All right, so this is the last question, friends.
So, Sitara is already giving a very tough time to us, as you know, she's become a superstar already in her digital platform. So, can we see her together, you and Sitara working together? And have she expressed her point of view? Dad, I want to be like you. Is she said sometime, wow, I want to be like you?
The little I've spoken to her, she doesn't want to do Telugu films. She wants to act in English films. That's what she said. But yeah, they have a mind of their own, so they're growing up, and so we've left it to the children. So for us, I think it's the education is very important. So we want them to study first, and then they can decide what they want to do.
But have you asked her why she don't want to do the Telugu
No,
movies when she
it's not gone to that. So we're not. It's just happened in a joking conversation. So she's a big fan of Frozen films. So she likes, Elsa and all that. So she's even dubbed for Frozen, I think, in Telugu. So she has like I said, she's 9 years old, and she's going on 14 or 15 years, like that. So she's not, in the sense, like I said, we've not forced anything on our children. So we've left it to them to decide what they want to do. I've never thought about that. I'll be nervous to act with my daughter, to be honest.
Mahesh sir, I have a question. How frequently you check your phone? Actually, I'm watching you. You're not being with your phone right now. But frequently when you're in the shoot or, when you get time, how frequently you want to?
Not too frequently. When I'm working, I really don't check my phone. It's not with me at all, usually.
Have you
So-
imagined your life without phone? If 2 days are given, no phone with you, how will you imagine? What things you want to
No,
do?
as a
it?
policy, when I'm working, the phone is not with me usually. But
Not
otherwise-
working. If just 2 days, no phone for Mahesh Babu, sir. What you would like to do?
I think it's very addictive otherwise. You know, you're stuck with your phone all the time. So it's better to get off with it also sometimes, I feel.
And there was a movie that based on, we are more into the phones. When we go to the get-togethers and the parties, we are, most of the children's and, they're into the phone. Earlier, the kind of get-together we used to have.
Yeah, it's a
so
very-
that trend has been changed in your family, like when they are having get-togethers and...
Yeah, it's a very tricky question you're asking me here because I really can't keep answering this question. Because
So when you have get-togethers in your family, somewhere Sitara and Gautam, they are like away from phones. Are they spend more time?
it depends actually, sometimes. So I think even like when she said with my kids also, we make sure that they don't spend too much time with their phone. So we give them like morning, they can be, after school, they can spend some time on the phone for 2 hours, evening 2 hours. So we kind of give them that time. So we make sure that they don't spend too much time.
So you never have gifted a phone, sir, in your life to your
Difficult.
son? When you have got the gifts, have you planned to give somebody a phone in your life? You want to gift somebody a phone?
Yeah, I would be giving it to my wife, who else?
Sir, you have always talked about adding the qualities in the phone. If you get an option to change something which you want to avoid in the phone, what it will be?
I think I would take the camera out of the phone.
But that's more important, as you said, right?
No,
Yeah.
I mean, having said that as a celebrity, because, if you go back 20 years ago when the camera was not in the phone, so I would go out of the airport, people would not take photographs and it would be very private. But these days, photographs are all over the place. They just keep clicking with their phones. So if you take that feature away, it would be more private, I feel.
Oh,
That's what I'm...
okay.
త్రివిక్రమ్ గారితో కూడా సినిమా ఈ ఇయర్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చా అండి?
Yeah, and we are looking at starting off this year.
Sir, if option is given to take a selfie, everybody wants to have a selfie with you, but we want to know Mahesh Babu wants to have a selfie with. Everybody wants to have a selfie with you, but we want to know Mahesh Babu wants to have a selfie.
I would want
If
to
you
have a
get-
selfie with my father.
Wow, okay.
సార్ మీది రాజమౌళి గారి కాంబో కోసం అందరూ ఈగర్లీ వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో అది 29th ఉండొచ్చా? అదే మీ 29th ఫిల్మ్ ఉండవచ్చా? 30th అవ్వచ్చు?
అదే ఇట్స్ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే మేము కొలాబరేట్ అవ్వబోతున్నాం అని అండ్ ఇట్స్ డ్రీమ్ కమ్ ట్రూ అండ్ రియలీ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. ఇట్స్ టూ ఎర్లీ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ నౌ. ఐ థింక్ వెరీ సూన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆల్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ విల్ బీ కమింగ్ అవుట్. బట్ ఆల్ ఐ కెన్ సే ఇస్ ఎప్పటి నుంచో అనుకున్నాం అండ్ రియలీ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ బీ అ డ్రీమ్ కమ్ ట్రూ ఫర్ మీ.